Good afternoon, Chet Porter with MarineMax Savannah. We just got this 2024 230 Sea Ray SPX, but it's powered by 250 Mercury V8. Nice sun pad in the back. Do have the optional battery charger plug-in. Keeps your batteries nice and fresh. And we do have the ski pylon. This area here converts to a lounge, pop-up back seat. And then you can also open it up for storage for your table. Two tables, two legs for the tables. So one of those tables can go here in the cockpit area. The other one will go in the forward. Here you do have a anchor locker, sea deck throughout the boat, a bow block off door, and this is one of the first models that you can get a head compartment. So a nice head area for making it easier to stay on the boat a little longer. The seat to the port side can be in this position. Also go to a middle position for lounging, and then all the way back for a standard seat. You have seating throughout and storage underneath for a cooler here. The captain's chair has a nice thigh-rise bolster, fusion stereo, the new auto trim binnacle system. You have plugs, USB and also 12-volt plug there, and then all your standard gauges. We can add any electronics needed. This model has the bimini top, so you can have sun or without when it's closed. It has the hard leg in the back, so when you're running with it open, it doesn't make a lot of noise. So give us a call if this boat might work for you and your family. It's a 2024 230 Sea Ray SPX. This is Chet Porter with MarineMax Savannah. Thank you.